Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video today. Today I'm bringing you a magnetic notepad for your fridge with a pen holder at the top. So that piece will go on the fridge and this will fit onto there and it will hold up and you'll be able to write on it and take it off. It's just very personalised. I know you can buy them in the shops, but I just like the fact that we can use all our DSP and I can stamp, and I bought these magnetic sheets and and I put little magnets here and it just all looks lovely. You can make it you can put a sentiment on there. The pen holder is just made out of paper because I don't have any of the plastic ones that you buy. I apologise for my hands. I've just cleaned my Stampin scrub because one of my customers managed to, instead of cleaning the stamp, she put the ink pad on the and it needed cleaning anyway. It was time. So what I need is I just need that so that when I stamp. Now I used pink pirouette, but I decided to make a male one, but I haven't got any DSP to go with it, so that is going on the fridge, and that is cut at 8 1/4. Ooh, hang on. I've just cut it as well. Cut it 3 1/2 by 8 1/2. And this piece is going on the back of the notebook, and this piece is cut at 9 by 3. We're going to score that piece. So just think I better do. Let's get a trimmer in and score blade. Let's score this first. So I'm going to score it at 8 1/4, which is all the way there, and 8 3/8. So 3/8. So because this is in 16ths, 3/8 will be 3. It's 2 past the half. So it's the tiniest score, and that's for the notepad, you see. So the notepads, I can't even remember where I bought these from. They came in a pack, but they are quite thin, so that will go like that. Okay, that will fit onto there. But what I want is put the DSP on there first, so it all looks nice. Now the DSP, I haven't got any blue DSP, and I want it all to match, so I'm going to make my own. So I've cut a piece of Whisper White card, and I haven't cut the length yet, but I've cut it to 3 inches because I know I need it to be 3 inches. So we're going to do all our stamping in one go. And I've chosen, because I want it to be a male one, I've chosen Vintage Leaves. Sorry, magnetic sheets come out. So I've got the dies in here, and I've got all the stamps. And I did think I'd just use one stamp because, like the DSP here, it's just kind of one stamp. So that's what I'm going to do in Marina Mist. Okay, and we'll see how this works. I'm going to make sure they all go up the same way. Don't know why. I think I just need to put that on there. So I've just smudged that one, so I'm just going to try. There you go, that'll be fine. And then I don't want them to be uniformed. I do want them to be a bit right. That's good. Let that dry for a second. And then this, it basically just needs to go round the edge because the notepad is going to be on top of it. Okay, right. Oh, looks lovely, doesn't it, on the white? Right, let's get rid of that. Okay, so I did make a little bit of a mess, look. So that is going on the fridge. So that's where I need to get a piece of magnet. Cut all these magnets. I've got them all in A5. So I've cut this piece of magnet and I've cut it. I haven't cut it very straight, look, but I'll do it again. So up here it's 2.5, and down here it's more like 2 1/4, but okay, we'll sort that. And it's 7 3/4. I'm just going to use my guillotine. Just let's get rid of all this. Just get it at 2 1/4, 2 1/4. It's 2.5, isn't it? Don't know how this happened. Right, there you go. That looks better. Right, and that is just going to fit on there, and then the notepad. Yeah, that's fine. Right, I am going to use, let's use some fast fuse. Let's see how my fast fuse is. My fast fuse doesn't like me because I haven't used it for a while. And I've got it stuck up here, look. Okay. Don't know why it's not working. Let's just ignore it for a minute and just, I need something strong. So let's put some red tape on there, shall we? Okay, let's get rid of that. And that's that. That will now stick on the fridge. Okay, so let's get rid of it for a minute. Now, before so I'm going to put that on there. Okay, I'm going to take it right up and then that will come over. So that needs to be, for my notepad, 8 inches. What you need to make sure is that whatever notepad you use, you make sure you put it accordingly, because obviously all notepads will be different. So I get that bit left, and that was for my pen. That's why I didn't cut it originally. Okay, there is method in my madness. That's what I'm sticking to. Right, let's get that on there. What's the right way around? With Tombow, you see, I can just pull it down a bit if I need to. There you go. Line it all up. There you go. Right. And I'm going to do the same with this. Make sure I'm really... Okay. So I've been wanting to do this for a while and I just didn't get around to it. But today is video day. I need to get as many videos. I think I've got 10 to do or 11, but I need to get them done. Okay, so that is going there. That's good. Right, then if I bring this back in and put two, I've got tiny little magnets that I've got on here. I'll put a magnet Yeah, that's the sticky bit. Get my glue dots and get a glue dot on them. Okay, and then I'm going to put that. There you go, the glue dots have stuck. And the beauty of that is then when this notepad is full and you don't want it anymore, keep the sticky, keep the magnets, put it on another notepad, and then you can reuse it. Yep. Right. So what I think is, I don't want it that wide. What I did here was I cut it down slightly to 6 centimeters. I did it in centimeters because I'll show you why. 6 centimeters, just cut that bit off, you don't need that bit. Now don't do what I did, get it, and you need to, oh, you can see, I'll do it up here actually, score it at, make the pen fit in it, well my pen anyway, score at 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 and 4, and then at 5 centimeters cut it. Okay, the reason for that is when you fold everything up, put that in there, you've made your own little tube and your pen will fit in there. Okay, so we'll use Tombow, it's quite strong, and we'll put that up to there. Then we'll use some more. I don't use this Marina Mist very often, but I actually really like this colour. It's one of those that I just haven't used. That's what I'm trying to do. That's what the aim is, to try and use stamp sets I haven't used for a while, and inks, because you do tend to stick to just a few. You can tell what colour my Stampin' scrub was, can't you? I did wash my hands, and then my pen just fits in there nicely. Now the other one I actually did some embellishments on it. I used the Flower Shop, which I use quite a lot, and punched it out, and I punched some of the little leaves from the new can't find it where it is now, don't know what I did with it. There it is. No, do you know, my desk is such a mess, I can't see where anything is anymore. Anyway, I cut the leaves out of the new punch, and I'm still trying to find it, I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know where it is. How can you lose things so easily? I just tend to, if I don't put them back exactly where they should live, I look around and they've gone, they've moved, and there's only me in the craft room, so how can this possibly be? Yeah, I've lost it, I don't know where it is. I give in. I'll find it in a minute. When I've turned you off and I've finished, I'll go, oh look, there it is. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Anyway, sorry. So I did that as a little embellishment. That is a 1/2 inch circle punch and just a bit of scrap, just a tiny bit of scrap glitter card. So I did that. So that looks really pretty and nice. And then this one, I do think it needs something. So what I thought was I could die cut one out. How about that? So I could either use what was there on the ink that was left, or re-ink it. Re-ink it. That's much better, Carol. And then look for the die. That can't be it. Hang on. Oh, sorry. Look for the die, and then I'm just going to die cut this out a second. I'm just going to take it over to my big shop. It's easier than, I hope you can still hear me. It's easier than keep carrying it over to my table. I've just got it on another table over here. And it only takes a second. There you go. Right, so I've done that. Let's get that put away. I don't know if I like the edges, so I haven't got a Marina Mist sponge. So I cut these sponges into 6-8 pieces, and then I use them to sponge edges or make cards or do whatever. There you go. So you've still got the detail of that, but you've just gone around the edge, distressing it a little bit, which looks cute. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to raise it slightly with, oh, it's not ours. There they are. So put a couple of dimensionals on there. And actually what I might do, I want them to kind of see that there's a leaf there. And just because it's for a guy, no, I won't put glitter on it. Right, there you go. So you've got magnetic notepads for your fridge. Guys, girls, make your own designer paper. Yeah, I really like it. I hope you do too. I hope you like my pen holder. I know people do buy the plastic ones, but I haven't bothered because I can make my own. So I hope you like that. I love the idea. Take care. Bye.